Today we're looking into a strategy boasting a remarkable 90% win rate. It goes by the name of the Triple RSI Trading Strategy, aptly named because it revolves around the popular relative strength indicator, abbreviated RSI. The Triple RSI Trading Strategy was presented on our website years ago and has performed well since then. It's a high win rate trading strategy. As we move along, we'll dissect the strategy, but first let's take a closer look at the equity curve from our backtest. We'll reveal the trading rules later on. What exactly is this Triple RSI strategy all about? It's designed to capitalize on pullbacks within the long-term rising trends in the stock market and has a high win rate. The trading strategy is based on that the stock market generally trends upward, influenced by factors like inflation and productivity gains. To illustrate, we've included a chart of S&P 500 from 1960 to the present, showcasing an excerpt of the history of the U.S. stock market. However, as is often the case, the long-term trend isn't linear, as shown by temporary panics and bear markets. The strategy itself focuses on identifying short-term pullbacks, with each trade typically lasting just a few days, but with a high win rate. Now let's dive into the specific trading rules we employ for backtesting, primarily using the S&P 500 as a proxy for the stock market and the ETF with a ticker code SPY. The trading strategy is based on several trading rules. The 5-day RSI must be below 30, the RSI must have declined 3 days in a row, and the RSI reading 3 days ago was below 60. To only trade in the direction of the trend and increase the win rate, we included a requirement that the close must be above the 200-day moving average. The importance of the 200-day moving average is discussed in the next video coming up. We don't want to stay invested for a long time, so we sell when the 5-day RSI crosses above 50. To better grasp these rules in action, let's explore a trade example. On the chart, you'll notice the 200-day moving average line, the green arrow signifying the buy signal and the red arrow indicating the sell signal. We buy on pullback and sell on strength. Finally, let's wrap up by backtesting the Triple RSI trading strategy. As you can see on the screen, the strategy has so far performed well with an almost linear growth. However, there are only 83 trades from 1993 until today, but the win rate is very high. The average gain per trade stands at almost 1.4%. Remarkably, a whopping 90% of these trades result in winners, and the typical trade lasts only about 5 days. All in all, these results paint a promising picture. If you'd like to get more high win rate trading strategies, you'll find a treasure trove of them on our website, quantifiedstrategies.com. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment to help us provide more free videos like this.